What's going on, everyone? We're replacing an air filter on a 2020 Nissan Rogue today. They usually charge you like 20 bucks to do this at the oil change places, and then they double the cost of the filter itself. And this takes like 30 seconds, so you can do this yourself. You can Google or get on any auto parts store, get the filter that's appropriate for you. This is the one that's appropriate for me, and if you've got a 2020 Rogue, probably the same one for you. You've got 3 clips to get the plastic off, 2 clips to get the filter off, so let's get going. First clip we're gonna look at is back here. We're gonna get this popped. This is kind of hard to do with one hand, but it gets lifted up here. Okay. Next clips we have are on the side here, this piece of plastic. I cannot do this one with one hand, but hold on. Once you get these pieces down here off, this whole piece comes off. Set to the side for a minute. You can see the dirty filter in there. You've got 2 clips to get the filter off, one on this side, one on this side. It's as simple as letting them out. The little box falls down. You can pull out your dirty filter, slide it out of here. Yeah, that's pretty nasty. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna set that up here for a second. You're gonna open up your box for your filter, get your old one out of the way, get your new one out. You're gonna make sure that your orientation is the same. So this one's slanted to the right on the bottom, to the left on the top. You make sure that this one's going in the same way. Turn that around. Right on the bottom, left on the top. Get it back in there. Push it down far enough that it gets underneath the plastic. Get your clips back into place. One on that side, one on that side. Put this plastic guy back where it goes, clip it back in, and you are good to go.